The main focus of everything that we've done over the last 2.5 weeks has been to safeguard the health and safety of every young person and every member of staff in the school. The school has put into place a number of safety elements in order to make sure that the school is as safe as possible, from reducing the amount of tables and desks in classrooms, marking the 2-metre social distancing gap on every aspect of the school, including school classrooms and also outside the school. We made sure there are posters to reinforce that, and that there is a huge amount of information that's been put in place to share with parents and to share with staff so they know exactly what the plan is. We've also made sure that we've got hygiene stations throughout the school as well. In terms of the curriculum, we've really looked very hard at trying to create this idea that pupils are able to check in and focus on some key issues when returning to school. That includes, of course, their own health and well-being and activities that will help them to support that element of their lives. But we're also looking to reinforce their learning, look at key skills, but also give them the opportunity to start stimulating a little bit of learning and shared discussion with other young people in their classrooms. Ysgol y Creuddyn is a family. I think it's fair to say, with that in mind, that we are genuinely looking forward to welcoming the Creuddyn family back through the doors in order for us to start returning to a semblance of normality.